It took me years to finally disappear and transform my life. But all you need is 3 months. Just lock in for the next few minutes and I will show you exactly how to make this happen. Week by week, month by month, you will disappear from the noise and rebuild yourself in the shadows. Here we go. Week 1. Disappear. Start with learning how to shut your mouth. Your urge to share is natural, but you must retrain yourself, become a mystery. From day 1, you no longer talk about your life openly with others. Cloak yourself in silence. This requires a life reset. Like this. Clear your schedule so you start with a blank slate. Put back only what's necessary: school, work, or non-negotiable responsibilities. But the distractions stay off. No more random social gatherings, gaming marathons, mindless TV binges. Your energy is now reserved for one thing: transformation. Also, remove clutter. Mental energy is precious. A messy home or workspace depletes focus. Just looking at clutter in your home will consciously and subconsciously cause friction in your brain that makes you less focused, more ADHD, and will make you physically tired. Tidy up, reorganize, and give your brain the calm that it needs. And disappearing doesn't just mean physically. You need to disappear the right way in your digital life as well. This means no more personal social media posts. If it doesn't benefit your health or wealth, it's gone. You also need to clean up your digital footprint. Delete unused apps, remove personal info, and limit your exposure online. You guys know what's going on out there. Companies that you give your information to are getting hacked every day, and your personal information is being sold on the dark web so scammers and thieves can target you. And they face zero repercussions from it. Zero. You or I could go to any data broker's website right now and buy anyone's data for a few bucks. It's completely legal. Yeah, it's not fair, but no one is crying for you, buddy. You have to protect yourself. Good thing is, I have a service I use and recommend for this problem, who is also today's sponsor, Aura. Aura keeps me safe online by doing all of the hard work of cleaning up my digital footprint. They will identify data brokers who are selling my information and submit opt-out requests on my behalf. Give Aura a few weeks, and you'll stop seeing your information on these sites when you search yourself, which will lead to less spam, less exposure, and a proper digital disappearing. Aura will also continuously monitor the dark web and alert me if they find my personal information exposed. They're going to let me know fast if anyone tries to use this information to access my credit or bank accounts. And through my transformation, as I've grown my wealth and assets, I want to make sure that my accounts are safe and protected from intruders. Plus, they give me up to $5 million in identity theft insurance should the worst case scenario happen. The Aura app also has a VPN with 100+ virtual locations. Masking your presence online through a VPN is critical as you disappear and leverage the internet in your transformation. This is the equivalent of hustling hard in the digital shadows. You can click the link in the description or go to my link, aura.com/feelrealgood, to try 14 days for free. That will be enough time for Aura to find out if any of your personal data is exposed. Can't get any more straightforward than that. Week 2, map your path. This transformation is a journey. It involves a destination, several key stops along the way, and is filled with small steps. Think about this transformation as if you were working on a major quest in a video game. There will be a final destination and a major objective, such as working your way across a map and into a castle tower where the boss is holding your princess captive. And along that journey, you'll meet some mini-bosses. You will get new skills. You will upgrade your weapons. In each step of the way, you will fight minions. You will work on yourself. Step by step, you will end up in front of that boss, ready to finish your quest. So in the second week, you need to commit time to figure out where your destination is. You need to know what transformation means to you. It's a different answer for everyone. Close your eyes and envision the life you want to live 5 years from now. Describe what you see. Describe your health. How do you look? How do you feel? Describe your wealth. What do you own? How much is in the bank? Where are you getting income from? Describe your lifestyle. Where do you live? In what kind of home? When do you wake up? What do you do in the day? Get as detailed as you'd like. Create a vision board with visuals that represent your vision. Now that you have your 5-year North Star, think about what your near-term goals are. What do you want to accomplish in 3 months? Have goals for your health, wealth, and lifestyle. And for each of these goals, write down milestones that will get you to them. Write all of these down, track it, use a Google Sheets. And remember, don't tell anyone. Shut your mouth. Don't ever forget. Week 3, set habits. Great, now you have a map. You have charted your path, but you aren't going to move unless you start taking steps. Those steps are your day-to-day habits, the small things you do every single day that are the atoms with which your transformation is made of. From each of your goals and milestones, determine what the daily activities are that will move you towards their direction. If you have a healthy eating goal, then you'll need to figure out what your meals are going to be. Clean out your fridge and fill it with the healthy ingredients that you will make food out of. What will you eat for breakfast each day? What will you eat for lunch? If you have a wealth goal, then you'll need to figure out how much you need to set aside every single day, every single week. You'll need to know what spending to reduce in your day. And you'll need to allocate time for you to build your assets, whether it's learning about real estate and evaluating properties, or building your online store and building a social following. Make things easy and repeatable. Reduce the mental load that is required for you to do these daily habits. The more friction that you have, the harder it will be to stay consistent, and you risk falling off the wagon. Fill your calendar with these habits. Make it a system that you follow. Remember that we do not rise to our goals, we fall to our systems. And our systems of habits are what our transformations are made of. Week 4, repeat, repeat. Now you have the entire playbook, and what you need to do is go through each day according to the plan. You must consistently repeat the important habits and activities every single day. It will be repetitive. It will test your patience. But did you think this was going to be easy? This is the great filter, guys. Only a select few will survive the test of discipline. That's the fee for transformation. Expect your mind to throw doubts at you. Expect that every ounce of your being will try to stop you from continuing on. And you must overcome. Be religious about going through your day according to plan. Motivation will fade. Discipline is the only thing in your control. We'll see how serious you are about your transformation. Most of you will not survive. Month 2, transform. Your first month is done. Your foundation is set. Month 2 is where the actual transformation occurs. Every day you are doing what you need to do. You're doing it alone. You're not sharing out to others unnecessarily. You are in the shadows, sweating, bleeding, building. You will reach milestones, and those you should celebrate. Month 2 will be where you find your rhythm and it becomes your life. You will need less and less discipline to go through your days. If you need a challenge boost, turn up the intensity, heavier workouts, longer focus sessions, deeper self-study. For those that really hit the sweet spot, you will learn to enjoy the pain of transformation. You will associate that pain with progress. And you will realize that without any pain, without any struggle, you are not actually making much progress. These adjustments to your thought process are truly what turn you into a beast in the shadows. Things start clicking and you discover yourself all over again. You are born anew, and you never can look back because you tasted the nectar of this new way of life. Month 3, reintegrate. Month 3 is where you balance out your life. You've disappeared where it's important. You no longer share with people what doesn't serve you. You can reintegrate into society while still transforming in the shadows. You can hang out with friends, but don't tell them what you do in your own time. Don't show them how your days have changed. Enjoy their presence. Nurture the right relationships. Be a part of the world. Be connected, but disappear and don't reveal your struggle. Let yourself be a mystery. Go as far as diverting attention. Minimize any mentions of progress or how good you look. Deflect onto other things. Talk about them. Make the discussions about them. People love to talk about themselves anyways, so you'll get bonus points for doing this. Don't grab attention. Don't ask for their eyes or ears. And when you are alone, get back into your rhythm. And in this way, you will never reappear. You are always hustling in the shadows, and no one knows. Even though you are with friends and family, even though you are living in the world everyone else is living in, you have disappeared, and the beast within grows day by day. And after your third month, you will sit back and take a look at your life. Your life will not be recognizable. You will have transformed your health and your wealth and your life. And you will realize that your life going forward will be an everlasting transformation in the shadows. And if you made it this far, then like and subscribe because you were made for this journey. Let's keep the momentum going. And check out this video here for a good follow-up of actionable life tips to help with your transformation.